In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to take a screenshot in TradingView. Taking screenshots of your charts can be incredibly useful for sharing analysis, keeping records, or simply noting observations for your own trading strategy. Let's walk through this process together, step by step. First, you'll want to navigate to the TradingView website. Open your preferred web browser and enter the TradingView URL in the address bar. Once the site loads, you'll need to log into your TradingView account. In case you haven't already, simply click the login button and enter your credentials. If you're new to TradingView, you might consider creating an account for full access to all features, as it can be a valuable resource for any trader. After logging in, the next step is to open the specific chart you want to take a screenshot of. TradingView provides charts for a wide variety of financial instruments, from stocks and forex to cryptocurrencies and beyond. Navigate to your desired chart and ensure it's displaying all the data and indicators you need. If you're planning to share this screenshot, double-check that it accurately reflects the information you want others to see, as this can avoid potential confusion later. Once your chart is ready and you're satisfied with how it looks, it's time to take the screenshot. On the TradingView interface, look for the option that says Take a Snapshot. This feature is usually represented by a camera icon, making it easy to identify. Clicking this will prompt TradingView to capture an image of your current chart view. After you click to take a snapshot, TradingView will offer you the option to download the image directly to your device. By selecting Download Image, your chart image will start downloading, typically to your system's default download location. If you want to keep your screenshots organized, you might consider creating a dedicated folder on your computer or cloud storage where you save all your TradingView screenshots. And that's it. You've successfully taken a screenshot of your chart in TradingView. This simple yet powerful option helps you in documenting your trading journey, sharing your insights with others, or simply keeping a personal log of your trading setups. Thanks for following along, and happy trading.